Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by enabling live photos in camera. Tap the concentric circles icon until it's yellow. Once done, choose photo mode and press the shutter. Hold your iPhone steady for about 1 to 3 seconds so the phone captures the motion frames. Make sure low power mode is off and you have free storage, because Live needs both background processing and room to save multiple frames. If you move too fast, the clip will blur, so breathe, compose, and press once to capture the animated moment. Next, you'll refine the motion in photos. Open the live photo and tap Edit. Use the frame strip to drag start and end handles so the action begins and ends where you want. Make sure to tap a clear frame and choose Use as Key Photo so the still looks right in previews. Once that's set, swipe up for motion options. Choose Loop for repeat, Bounce for back and forth, or Long Exposure for silky blur. You can also mute the live clip if its audio distracts from the image. Finish by sharing or exporting. AirDrop or Messages preserve live motion. To share widely, export as a video or looped GIF from the share sheet. You can also set the live photo as an animated lock screen wallpaper. Press and hold to preview. If something goes wrong, try this tip. Confirm settings. Camera preserve settings hasn't turned live off. Disable low power mode, free up storage, and restart your iPhone. If frames still drop, retake with a steadier hand and slightly longer hold for reliable motion capture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.